Okay, so today is gonna be one of these days where this previous week's low, which also coincides with the lows, with these two lows and value area high from yesterday, is gonna be the line in the sand, right above that, and we are back into this distribution below that, and we're back into the lower distribution from a few months ago. So basically the targets are either the 20-day point of control or the 90-day point of control down here, and so we want to be looking at how we're trading in relationship to value from Monday or value from yesterday. So accepting back inside value from yesterday, targets the lower levels, and eventually value area low from yesterday, and then see if we can continue this down move into the lows from yesterday and the single prints, and see if we can bounce at the 50 area, 50 moving average after cleaning the single prints, or if we if sellers keep having trouble getting below and we hold inside Monday's value, then we can complete that attempt to retest value area high for Monday, which is at 68.88, and then from there we have some resistance here right below 6900. You see that red square there? That's at 68.96. That's a low volume node. I'm looking for sellers to defend that, and if they don't, then looking for a retracement of this whole area. Maybe not today, but over the next few days, maybe grinding higher into the top of that range again, because this is where longer term traders are seeing this range, and they're like, okay, well, we failed to hold below it, then we should see the upper side of this range. In Q also holding back inside last week's lows. I'm looking to see what the reaction is going to be at the monthly VWAP, which right now is at 25,550-ish. If we get back above it, then I'll be looking for a little bit of a squeeze higher. Otherwise, a little bit more chop down here. We're one time framing down now on the daily on both ES and NQ. So I'm expecting some sellers, unless, and if we don't see those sellers, or if those sellers can't get any traction, then we're gonna likely see a little bit of a squeeze higher. Crude, I rolled to the G contract. Finally seeing a little bit of buying here. Some resistance at 56.80. Hold on one second. Yeah, some resistance at the 56.80, and then if we get back above that, then I would expect this whole area to be retraced, and then I move back to 57.80. And then the 20-day point of control is still up here. This could shift lower if we start accepting in this consolidation area, but we'll see what happens to that. And gold again, bouncing higher, nice rally overnight. It just now tested a trend line, longer time trend line that comes from the all-time highs, and sellers are at it again. So we're kind of like trying to find an area of acceptance and consolidation higher. So far it's a little choppy in this area, a little volatile, so let's see if things settle a bit. And somewhere around here, it looks like 43.35 is getting a lot of volume here. But if this doesn't hold, then below 4300, we could see a move down here to 4240. But so far it seems pretty strong. Seems like it wants new all-time highs. Okay, I think that's about it. This is probably the last video until after Christmas, because I'm gonna be going out of town, so I won't be streaming for a few days. Alright, good luck, Merry Christmas, and good luck today.